Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix cannot connect Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi connection is not connected, how to fix. In this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and fix for other software. So let's start the video. The first method is click on start button and after that guys click here settings option. After that guys click here network and internet option and after that click here Wi-Fi. After that guys click here manage non-networks and after that click here your Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi here under list and click here forget option. Okay, and close this window. After that guys click here this network icon and select your Wi-Fi. Okay, and click here connect. Right click on it and click here connect and enter your password. Okay, enter your password in this text box and click here next button and click here yes. And after that guys you see that your Wi-Fi is not connected. Okay, again click here cancel button and after that click here start button and after that guys click here settings option. After that guys click here update and security option and click here troubleshoot and after that guys click here additional troubleshooter and select here network adapter option and click on it and click here then run the troubleshooter option. So select here your Wi-Fi in this list and click here next button and wait for some time and after that guys click here apply this fix. Now guys your problem is fixed here. Now close this window and after that guys select your Wi-Fi and enter your password and click here yes. You can see here guys your problem is fixed here. So guys if your problem is fixed please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos.